Hi once again. I'm Amanda from RCCO Lawyers. Living in a strata property in Victoria, legal clarity matters. At RCCO Lawyers, we help you make sense of strata law in a clear, practical way, so you can navigate community living with certainty, not confusion. Strata ownership means shared responsibility. You own your lot, but everything from building structures to shared spaces like car parks, gardens, and hallways is collectively managed through your owner's corporation. That also means rules, levies, repairs, and decisions are part of a structured legal framework. And understanding that framework is key to avoiding disputes and unexpected costs. We support you through it all, from bylaws and meetings to maintenance issues, disputes, and compliance, so you know your rights and obligations at every step. Because when you understand the system, you can live in it with confidence. RCCO Lawyers, your partner for strong legal foundations in strata law.